Hey everyone, so I just wanted to make a quick video on like this homemade squishy I made a while ago. Yeah, I made it a while ago because I was bored and I saw it online. So yeah, I will be right back and grab it. Okay, so here it is. It's like I was gonna draw a panda face on it, but then I decided not to. So these are basically just like cotton ball. Like, you don't like to take your nail polish off. Yeah, I just took my nail polish off. See, I use this. So yeah, this is what you use, and then you just put it in a bag like this. This is just a sandwich bag that you like put, obviously sandwiches in, and then you're not. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but I poked little holes in here because I did. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it. Maybe if I flip the camera around, you'll be able to see it. So yeah, hold on. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Oh, you can't. Okay, so see these little holes? So yeah, this is just how you do it. It's basically this is how you do it. You just push it like that. See? And that's how slow rising it is. So yeah. So yeah, that was basically it. You see my charger. Sorry, my phone's dying, so I don't know if you can actually see me squishing it. So I'll just squish it again. In the video I saw, this girl, she did like a little panda bun, like she recreated a panda bun, but I honestly don't feel like doing that. So yeah, I didn't do it. So that is it for this video, and yeah, so bye everyone.